So Rebuilding Together Alexandria is part of a national organization that works to preserve affordable housing by providing free home repairs to low-income homeowners. Here in Alexandria, we have been serving the community for about 26 years now. We have worked on more than 1,500 projects. And this April, we had nearly 1,000 volunteers working on 52 projects. And our volunteers are both skilled and unskilled, and they provide services such as repairing holes in drywalls and fixing sinks that are leaking, roof repair, and installing handrails and grab bars to increase the safety of our homeowners in their homes, installing energy efficient upgrades such as CFLs and water aerators to allow the client to save on their utility bills each month. Across the community, we help low-income homeowners that might be elderly or disabled. We help a lot of veterans. We help many families with children. Nationally, during the month of April, there were about 70,000 volunteers working on more than 4,000 projects, again providing free home repairs to those in need across the nation. So we'd like to thank our sponsors for this year, and they are Skanska, Wells Fargo, Booz Allen Hamilton, First Baptist Church, and the City of Alexandria is an incredible supporter of Rebuilding Together Alexandria efforts as well.
Really do appreciate it. I thank y'all and I thank God, and they did a great job, and I just want to say thank you. I really do appreciate it.
I thank all the members of this team that come and fix my house up. I thank them very much. They did a good job.